everyone, welcome back here. My name is Alice. I'm just your average girl trying to lose weight. I'm a mom and a wife. I'm just on this treadmill. I've been at it for like 2 months now. I've been doing some exercise. I'm actually liking exercise now. Funny because I never used to like exercise. I've done a few things in the past. I never liked it. But this time around I'm liking it. I'm actually kinda addicted to it. Don't get me wrong though, when I'm doing it, when I'm in the peak of things, running and just doing the squats, it's torture. I feel like it's torture, but afterwards I feel excited. I feel like going back again. And I think I credit it to a few things that I feel like I'm sharing with you guys today. The first tip, if you're starting out with exercise, very first tip is the gear. At least let me start with the shoes. I've been using this shoe now for about 6 weeks, and so it's looking like I can see right now it has an issue here, but it's really a nice shoe. It's Skechers. This is second hand. I didn't get it for, it's not new, it's just second hand. And so I got this for about 700 bob. That's like $7 here in Kenya. In the Think Twice, there's a shop here in Nairobi called Think Twice. I got it there. So basically what I was looking for, or what you're looking for in a running shoe, because I do a lot of running, I need a shoe that gives me stability. I need a shoe that gives me support. So what I was looking for is this. I love what this does. It's like cushioned, yeah. So it's, when I step on it, it gives me it's like a shock absorber. It absorbs the shock. Definitely you need a shoe that has some kind of a sole. Don't go flat on. When you're looking for a shoe, just try one that is not very flat. One that has some cushioning, because when you're running at high intensity, so you need something that really supports you. And then thirdly, you need look at the contour of the shoe, because I hear, especially when you're buying second-hand shoes, you don't want the wearer of the shoe before had some certain contour on his feet or her feet. So sometimes when you buy second-hand, that can happen. So the shoe maybe has a certain shape, and so when you put it on, it gives you issues when you're doing exercise. So this one, I tried it and I felt like it was okay for me. So when you're looking for shoes, really try those things. Don't run with anything. I see people doing rubbers. I see people doing flat shoes. Don't do that. I have suffered this in the past. When I was in campus, I ran with the wrong shoe, and I injured my ankle. Also, I've tried to run doing jump rope here, trying to run without the right shoe, and I got hurt. So this is something that is a big deal. Just invest. If you can buy the new ones, Nike and the rest, new one even better. The next gear is socks. When I started doing the exercising, I wasn't doing socks. I was just doing barefoot because I just didn't see the need for it. But so far, I can't do it anymore. Because let me be honest with you guys. You sweat a lot when you're running. So when you come home after running, you tend to develop a smell. You have smelly feet. You have smelly. You need the socks to absorb the sweat. So I have seen a big difference myself when I'm doing the socks, and I think it gives me some traction, some friction. I don't know, but I just feel like I can't do without the socks. And then of course you need the running pants or leggings or whatever, tights, whatever you call it. Make sure that it's loose. Mine is loose. If you guys can see, there's still some room here. It fits me well. I feel comfortable in it, and I have tried one that is a bit tight, because we've been doing things. We've been like doing jumps and jumping rope and running and all this, doing burpees. So you don't want something that is too tight, especially here between your thighs. You need something that is airy. You need something that is comfortable. Thirdly, you need the upper. First of all, you need a sports bra. Ladies, if you're running, you need a sports bra. Whether you're a D cup, whether you're an A cup, whatever cup you are, you need a sports bra, especially if you're doing something like running and jump rope. When you're running, jumping rope, your girls are running. They are just, all over the place. So you really need a good supportive sports bra. Very important. I can't insist enough why you need a sports bra. I have tried doing without a sports bra. I have tried using the normal bra, and doesn't work. The difference you get when you have a sports bra is just amazing. And sports bras are available. If you're in Kenya, they're available anywhere, you know. When you're walking around, you just get a nice sports bra. Just try it out and see if it fits you. And then of course you need this, the top. I was given this by a friend of mine. She just sent this to me the other day. The perks of being on YouTube. A very good friend of mine, she sent me like 4 of them, so I've been rocking this. In my last video I had just a normal t-shirt, and yeah, feel free to just use a normal t-shirt. Don't go out of your way if you don't have enough money to do gym wear. Basically this is nice. It's also stretchy, and then it's airy, and then it's not cotton that absorbs sweat. You know, it's the one that I don't know how to explain, but you know, just even if you're sweaty, you don't feel it doesn't stick to your body. You understand? I'm sure you understand. So that's basically it. It's not expensive, you guys. It's just, let it not be an excuse for you not to get out. At least get shoes and a sports bra, and then even do your normal, you know, out indoor clothes like trousers and stuff. But the sports bra and the shoes, I will insist on that, on those two. Those are the very, very important ones. So that's it with the gear. Number 2, the tip that has helped me so much is looking for a workout to do. Before I started working out, I used to work out here alone. In fact, here I'll do it for like 2 months, non-stop, enjoying, having fun, but then motivation will just run out. In fact, if you're doing exercise and just weight loss, you just realize that motivation is something that quickly runs out. So you need someone to, you know, help you, you know, get out of your comfort zone, try new things and all that. So I have realized that for me, being in a group, because we do our workouts as ladies in this neighborhood. So I have, when you work out with a group, you know, you get motivated. People push you out of your comfort zone. People wake up even when it's cold. You just wake up and just go to the field. So that helps you a lot. Tip number 3 for me is getting a trainer. Again, it's not cast in stone that when you have a trainer you do better, but I have seen myself and I feel like it really makes a difference. So this lady called Carol, I just met her. I mean, I feel like it is God that brought me together with her. I was just hanging out. I just started the YouTube channel and then just talking to her, and I'm like, you look so nice, you look so... I didn't even know her. Our kids knew each other. She has a granddaughter, and I have a son. They're almost the same age. And so we're just talking about kids and everything, and then the whole idea just came up, and she was like, yeah, I train people, I do this and that, you know, and she's just God sent, you guys. God just brought her my way. So she pushes me. I remember the first, and then she's so patient. The first time we were just running together, I couldn't even do 2 laps. She just ran with me, you know. And you know, she's a trainer, she's very seasoned. She could do like 10 laps. She just ran 2 laps and then told me you can walk, you know, just. And then after that, pushing me. When you're sitting down, when you're supposed to be working out, she's just there to remind you to wake up. You know, just having a trainer just makes a world of difference. I think lastly, I would say push. This is a cliche, comes as a cliche, but push. When you're doing the exercises, every part of your body tells you to stop. Your feet say stop. Your brain, the brain is just the greatest. It just tells you to stop. After 2 minutes of running, you're done. You just want to walk. But promise yourself, just tell yourself, if I can do, start from the bottom. If I can do today 1 lap, I can do 1.5 tomorrow. You know, keep adding. Before you know it, you'll be actually enjoying some exercises. Personally, I started with 2 laps. Running 2 laps in the field. Now I can do 10 non-stop. And then after pausing, I can even go further. I can go like 3 more laps or 5 more laps without pausing. Burpees, after doing like 2 burpees, I was just done. But now I can go further. I can go for more than 2 burpees. So this is, I have come from far, and I have noticed that when you push yourself, your body is capable of doing a lot. When you really just push yourself. Of course, listen to your body. You don't want to, you know, injure yourself. You don't want to give a lot of, you know, put your body under a lot of stress. But if you really just push yourself. When you feel like giving up, tell yourself, let me just reach, you know, that bend and then I'll be done. When you reach that bend, give yourself 5 more minutes, you know, just try your level best. That by the time you're done with the workout, you'll be sweating, you'll be feeling so good. When you take a shower, you feel amazing. So I think those are my tips for now. Moving our bodies is important, you guys. Ever since, I think I'm going to talk about this in another video, but ever since I started exercising, I've noticed a big difference. Like the other day, we were coming from church and we were carrying a lot of stuff with my house help and just walking a long distance. By the time I'm reaching the house, I'm realizing I'm not even, in the past I would do that. I'll be like a mess, and now I can do it. And then there are things I can do with my baby. When my baby boy tells me, let's play ball, mommy, and stuff, I'm able to do that. And then I feel overall, my mood is elevated. When I'm, no lying, when I am feeling down, I go to the field and exercise. So it has a lot of benefits. So let's move our bodies. Let's not give the devil a chance to mess up with our health. Because these are temples of the Holy Ghost, so let's take care of them as much as we can. So that's it for today. If you have any other tip that you'd like to, maybe I forgot, or maybe you have that has helped you in your exercise, maybe drop it in the comments. Otherwise, I really appreciate you guys that comment on my videos, that like my videos, that have subscribed to this channel. We are growing slowly and I appreciate every single one of you. If you haven't subscribed already, feel free to hit that subscribe button. Then after hitting the button, there's a notification bell next to it. Just tap it, and anytime I release a video, you'll just be among the first people to know. Otherwise, thank you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe and may God bless you.